This week is Farm Animal Week, so I made some farm animal cards so we can learn about the farm animals and the noises that they make. Are you ready to help?
Okay.
We'll start off with this one. What's this one?
Moo.
A horse.
Oh.
What sound does a horse make? Neigh. Good job. What about this one? What is this?
Moo.
A cow. What does a cow make?
Moo.
Good job. What is this one?
That.
A cat. What sound does a cat make?
Meow.
Meow. Good job. How about this one?
Bop, bop.
This one's a dog. What sound does a dog make?
Bop, bop.
Woof, woof. Good job, buddy. How about this one? This one's a chicken. What sound does a chicken make?
Bop, bop.
Buck, buck, buck. Good job. How about this one? You guys know this one. What's this one make? Oink, oink. It's a piggy.
Baby.
What about this one? This one's a duck. What sound does a duck make?
Duck,
Quack, 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 quack.
duck, duck.
Last one. This one is a sheep. What sound does a sheep make?
Ah.
Ba, ba.
Ba.
Good
Ba.
job.
Ba.